Dear viewers and all my esteemed subscribers, I am M.A. Mustafa. Welcome back to Ornate Peexels. Today I will show you how to repair a display panel of LED TV. So let's get started. This is an LG brand LED TV. I am turning on the TV to show you the problem. Look at the screen. There is no problem at the top, but the raster are blocked at the bottom. I think we will repair the panel in a short time. So stay with me throughout the full video. There are 10 panel driver ICs at the top of the panel, and on the side of the panel there are 3 driver IC or COF. What does this COF mean? COF mean chip on film. Anyway, since there is no problem at the top, so you can be sure there is no fault in the upper driver circuit. For that reason, we will note the power supplies of the test points of this circuit. Then we will match the power supplies of these two circuits with that note. To do that, connect a wire to the negative supply of the motherboard. Then connect the black probe of your avometer to the other end of the wire. Now take a writing paper, then draw the test point of the COF in a similar way. Now note the volts of each test point one by one. Here is 0.7 volt. Next 2.7 volt. In this way, note the supply voltage of all the test points. Now we have to compare the voltage of the faulty circuit with the faultless circuit. Now look, this test point of the faultless circuit has 0.4 volts. Okay, there is the same volt at the test point of the faulty circuit. Next, 2.1 volt. Okay, that's fine. And I saw that the power supply was okay at the every test point. But here the VGA supply is 22 volts. These 22 volts are not present here. So let's see what happens by a bypass connection. Very nice. Dear friends, subscribe to the channel to get more videos and please like, comment and share. Thanks.